For today's assignment, you're going to complete an interactive called Earnings by College Major. You can reach the interactive through the hyperlink in the Google Doc. And then I just wanted to go through this to show you how this works because it doesn't necessarily explain it very well to you. Up here you can select up to 4 different levels of education or degrees. And then there's a drop-down menu. On the worksheet it's going to tell you which ones to choose. And then you're going to put those in. For example, this one's for a high school diploma or GED. And that's going to put a line down here of earnings. And then you can choose the rest of them from here too. So you can have an associate's degree, some college, and then down here there's bachelor's degrees. If you scroll down the list, you're going to see an option that says average of all majors. That's the 4th option that you're going to choose. Okay, the rest of them are up at the top. And this is for part 1. For part 2 of the assignment, you're going to choose different majors that you're thinking about majoring in. For example, if you wanted to major in business economics, you would select that. Then you can select up to 4 degrees to compare. Let's do business management and some other business topics so we can compare those. Accounting and actuarial science, and I'm going to choose one more, something in business economics. Okay, so here are the 4 careers that I chose, the 4 areas that I chose, and you can see over a lifetime what the earnings are, and you're just going to answer the questions based on what you chose. Your answers will be different because you're going to pick careers that you're interested in. Your examples for the first one should be the same though, because you're choosing the 4 things they asked you to do: high school diploma, some college associate's degree, and bachelor degree. So that's your assignment for today, and then when you're done, turn that in.